Very good evening, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new quick live trading video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. I'm very excited to make this video because actually I have been waiting for this opportunity for quite some time. Let me just share with you something here. Today we are going to trade the high impact news, and actually I'm aiming to focus on, let me just show you this. I'm trying to focus on the unemployment rate news on the USD dollar currency. Actually, these can make a high impact news on the market, and they can change the whole direction. Of course, also the non-farm payrolls, they can also change the market and actually can make good impact on it. So that's why I'm going right now to actually set my pending orders on this deal. Let me just show you first, of course, that I have previously made a video where I have explained in brief how can actually we set these two pending orders. One is for the buy and the other one is for the short on the high impact news, and how we can prepare for them. You can just please review my channel and go to this video right here. Learn how to make money by trading Forex news. Everything is explained there in details. Please guys, I cannot really explain everything right now in this video. If you want to learn more about how to trade the news, please I highly recommend you to watch this video, and then you can follow it later by this video as well. I have made amazing trade, the high impact news. How did I make $100 in just less than 3 seconds? So anyway, right now the time here in Dubai is 4:19 p.m. and the news will be out, I think, in 11 or 10 minutes only. Yeah, 4:30 p.m. the news are going to be out. So therefore, let me now hurry up and make sure. Now, I want to highlight here that I have here account of $4,000 account. Now, how much do I plan to invest on this trade? Actually, I am planning to invest my today's profit, which is about $500. Therefore, $500 is gonna be my investment on this deal, or on this news. So in worst scenarios, if let's assume that things didn't go how I planned it, I won't lose more than $500. First of all, let me change the lot size. I don't want to make it 1.25, and right now let me just now set the pending orders by going to new order and click on pending order, and of course buy stop. Now I will set my buy stop to be above the current price, just like that. Let's make it about 20 pips or 24 pips should be fine. Yeah, 25 pips I think, right? 25 pips exactly. Now let me just set another pending order, which is gonna be, of course, is a sell stop, and that is of course gonna be placed below the current price. Just like that. Perfect. And I'm gonna make it as well 25 pips far away from the current price level. Now of course we need to set the stop losses and the take profit level. No need to set the take profit levels. You know something, we have to set the stop losses for each of them. So therefore, for the buy stop, I'm going to set the stop loss right here to be below the level, exactly like that. So it has to be $500. This is my investment. And for the other one, for the sell stop, let me just set the stop loss to be exactly right there for almost which is equivalent for $500. Now allow me to explain to you what's happening here. Now what's happening is that in 10 minutes, or actually 9 minutes by now, the market is gonna go fuzzy, and actually it's gonna be ranging a lot, and the movement of the candles will be quite very fast. And actually all of this gonna happen in less than a second. You have to be very quick, and of course, since you cannot be quick enough to open the trades, you have to set the pending orders. As I said before, everything has been explained already in that other video. So right now, if the candle is gonna go down, if for example the news was very bad for the dollar, then of course the price will go up. And if that happens, the pending order for the buy stop is going to be triggered, and the market will take me along with it, and I'm going to of course be in a very good profit. And of course, if the news was very good for the USD dollar currency, which I really doubt, the Euro USD is going to fall, and the market also will trigger my sell stop level, and it's gonna take me along with it, and I'm gonna be also in profit. Now then, why did I place the stop losses here and there? Of course, this is the stop loss for the sell order, and this is the stop loss for the buy order. Now, sometimes what happens is that the market might actually go in, the currency or the pairs will go in a very high spread sometimes. And the trade, for example, the market actually might rise a little bit more up here, triggering my buy order, then suddenly fall down. It happens a lot, by the way, and for that reason I had to place here the stop loss. So if this buy order has been accidentally triggered and the market fall down, instead of wiping my account, it's gonna hit the stop loss, and that's the reason I said we have to invest $500 on this trade. This is gonna be the maximum I can lose. So no matter what happens, I'm sure I cannot lose more than this amount. Now let me do something more interesting. Actually, I need to do something here. I need to increase the space between the current price and the pending orders, just in case, because now I see the market is rising up, and we have to be careful because any moment actually, or not any moment, I mean, what can happen is the spread might getting high. By the way, choosing the right broker is unbelievably important here. That's why I'm using IC Markets. I have been using them for more than 5 years, and I know very well the spread during the high impact news. It's not that high compared to other brokers. In the end, IC Markets is still using the 3C in method, and of course with the commissions, their spread is gonna always be low. That's the reason I'm advising everyone to trade with IC Markets. And again, I would like to thank you for your support for the channel. If you can, please open account in IC Markets using the link provided in the description below this video. And again, trust me, IC Markets will be the best broker you can ever try when trading Forex, especially if you are a scalper like me. So anyway, we are now 6 minutes far away from the news. Let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once the news are up, and let's see how this trade will go. And the news, guys, will be out in just 30 seconds. And as we can see right now, I want you guys to watch how the market is actually changing in the last 20 seconds just before the news are out. Look at the spread. The spread now increasing. Look at that, which is very normal, of course, when all the Forex brokers, all of them, this is happening, and this is very normal. Still, the spread is very low on the Euro USD. Look at that. I mean, this is why I really love IC Markets. And look at the candle. Right now, the candle is getting ready for the impact, and I have to go along with it. Let me just fix it. I need to set the pending orders. Now, if the market is gonna fall down, it's gonna take me along with it. And now the news are up, and as you can see, the market is rising. The market is rising, and I think the market is gonna continue the rise. Let's see what will gonna happen. As I told you, my friends, the news most likely will be very bad for the dollar. And as you can see, yes, it's rising, perfect. And the buy order has been triggered. Let me now close the sell order, and let's just keep the buy order. As I told you, my friends, it's very obvious that the news was actually going to be bad for the dollar, the unemployment rate. I'm sure they are already up. Let me just watch this. The news already up, and as you can see, let's watch them together. The site is still loading, but however, we are now in a very good profit. Right now, the market is going in so far 10 pips of profit. I think actually it was pretty much slow. Those who are trading the news, they know very well it was really very slow. Usually it's much faster. Actually, it's a lot faster than that, and usually it's just happened in a blink or just less than a second. I think so far everything is going well. Let me just set the stop loss right here to be just like, yeah, I think there is even no need to use the stop loss anymore. We are obviously in a very good deal right now, and the market is still rising. I believe I'm gonna set the take profit level to be right here at the peak of the resistance. So we are aiming to make about $448 from this trade. I'm so happy because the market is rising. It's taking me along with it, and so far I'm in profit. I believe we can expect from the market to be ranging for quite some time before eventually going to continue the rise. But eventually, or actually, I think in the end, I think it's going to be a profitable trade. I believe so. The market actually seems to be moving upon the bad news for the dollar. As I told you, my friends, the dollar actually is not in the best conditions right now with these bad unemployment rates. For some reason, Forex Factory is still loading the news. And this is also unusual. Usually it has to be... okay, yes, perfect. $240 of profit so far. I'm planning to keep the trade running, but yes, perfect. 300. Give me 300. I think we can make even more than 300, but I just don't want to be greedy. Yes, $300 from one trade is actually more than enough. I'm happy about that. And there we go. We have closed this deal with a very good profit of $300. I have made them in less than a minute. Those who actually know trading Forex, they know very well. This is very nice. I'm very happy. That's why I really love Forex. This is my video game and I really love to play it and making money and good living out of this knowledge. I mean, this is really amazing and I'm very happy about it. So I think that's it. We have made very good profit for now. I think today I'm gonna stop trading now. It's Friday afternoon and I believe it's time is up. I don't think we can now open any new trades. We have to wait some time and see what will gonna happen. So I believe that's it. Yeah, we have made a very good profit and I wanted to share with you the experience. So that's it. Yeah. In the end, I hope that was informative to you and I would like to thank you for watching.